So over here you can see that I have a certain view of the calendar, and let's say I want to change around the calendar view settings. In that case, you can go around over here onto the view tab, and over here you can simply go to calendar settings. Once you go around over here, you can see that over here on the calendar, you got the calendar view. So you can view the first day as Sunday, as you can see right here. You can set it to Monday over here, change around the time scale to 10 minutes and show different work weeks as well. You can also go around and set the meeting time as you like right here, just like this, and show week numbers as first day of the year or first full week of the year as well. You can use the dynamic column width right here and use different time zones over here as well and utilize global calendar as well. So if I were to go around and choose, you can see that you can go around and choose different type of calendars as well. Press OK, and then you get the change in the view of the calendar, as you can see just like this. So you can go around over here and change around the calendar setting according to how you want. Let me just go around and choose Hebrew calendar right here, just like this, and then you simply have that particular option. Let me just go around and choose, let's say, a different calendar right here, and then what happens is that you simply have that particular a calendar right here. But let me just go around and set to Gregorian calendar right here, and that is what you have. So if I were to go around, you can see that the month changes out right here, just like this, and you got the other set of calendars over here, just like that as well. So you got different options, as you can see, just like this. You can also go around and add in another time zone as you like right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say new right here. So I'm just going to go around and say New York right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and select it and press OK, then what happens is that there are two time zones over here, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, the day view right here, just like this, then you can see two time zones over here on the left hand side and the right hand side as well, where the left hand side is Yangon and this one is the New York time, as you can see right here. So you got two time reference for your A's. So that is how you can change around the calendar view settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.